Nothing has no end. Today I am labeled as a pauper. Today I am labeled as a miserable man. Today I am labeled as a pathetic man. But nothing has no end. Today my life is miserable, but tomorrow it will be a mystery. Don't mock me. Don't laugh at me. I am not mad, I am just poor. When you see me, greet me. Poverty is not contagious. But remember that nothing has no end. I am sweating for it because you don't harvest where you didn't plant. You know my today, but you don't know my tomorrow. The one who's in heaven, he will light my success. He will light my prosperity, light my breakthrough. Nothing has no end. Tomorrow I'll also live splendid life. Today I am dejected. Today I am desolated. Today I am despair. But nothing has no end. The day is coming. I am waiting for it. I'll be patient for my success. Because I know that nothing has no end.